Quartet, how to select a laser pointer. Laser pointers come in a variety of strengths, colors, and additional features, from LED flashlights to remotes that control your PowerPoint presentations. A laser pointer is a small portable power source that emits a very narrow, low-powered beam of light. The small beam width makes the beam itself virtually invisible, only showing a point of light on an opaque surface. So, in selecting a laser pointer, your first decision should be color. Red laser pointers are the standard, but green laser pointers are gaining in popularity. The human eye is 80 times more sensitive to green light, making these laser pointers better suited for large venues or conference rooms equipped with large presentation monitors. Now, if your meeting or presentation is conducted in a smaller, more intimate room, a red laser pointer is the best choice. Quartet even makes laser pointers with both colors so that you are always prepared no matter what situation you find yourself in. Your next decision is power. The higher the power, the brighter the laser will be when reflecting off a surface, and the longer the distance the light will travel. Laser pointers are available in either Class 2 or Class 3A devices, with output beam power of less than 5 milliwatts. Laser pointers that have higher output cannot be used in public settings. Class 2 lasers are perfect in small business situations, and many government and schools restrict use to a Class 2 model. However, if allowed, you'll most likely need a Class 3A for larger venues. Finally, many laser pointers have additional helpful features. Some models include an LED flashlight, which can be very helpful when setting up equipment in darkened environments. Others double as pens and even touch-sensitive styluses. There are even laser pointers with infrared receivers that allow you to remotely control your computer and PowerPoint presentations from distances as far as 45 feet. So no matter what your need, Quartet has the laser pointer for you. Purchase your Quartet laser pointer today.